Okay, who is this?
James.
James, and he's got whose wheels?
Gordon.
Gordon's wheels, and we're gonna try to let him pull
7 trucks.
7 trucks. Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. And the coal tender doesn't count?
No.
No, it doesn't count. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Set, go.
I don't think he can do it. Can he do it? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Poor James. He can't quite pull 7 trucks and a coal tender.
Oh no!
He's getting to get derailed. Oh no! Oh no, he's trying. He's still trying. Oh no! He is trying.
I went right and wiggled on the wiggly track.
Okay. Maybe we'll try another one.